Hello students, welcome back with the new lecture of chapter 1. Students, we are in question number 10 of exercise 1.1. Let me read out first the question and then explain to you. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. Students, let me first show you what they are telling us. They are telling us that a water tank, there is a water tank which is having the steps inside it. Here it is water tank, it is having the steps inside it, and a monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is on the first step the monkey is sitting, and the water level is at the ninth step. Now they are asking us three questions in three parts, and we have to answer it. In first part they are asking us and they are telling us he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. Now monkey was sitting here, he jumps down 3 steps, that is 1, 2 and 3 steps down, and after coming here again he jumps back to the 2 steps up. Now next line, in how many jumps will he reach the water level? Now they are asking us that find out in how many steps the monkey will reach to the level of water. So let us start. They told us that in first jump the monkey will jump down 3 steps. If he is jumping down, then he will jump 3 steps, and if he is jumping up, he will jump 2 steps up. So in first step 1, 2 and 3, it will be first jump, and then again from here 2 steps up, 1 and 2. So this will be second step. Here you can see this level is of second step, and from second step again he jumps back to the 3 steps, that is 1, 2 and 3, that is fifth level. So we will write third jump he reached to the fifth step, and from fifth step again back he jumps back to 2 steps up. So from fifth 1 and 2, that he will be on fourth jump, he will come back with on the third step. Now from third step, that is from here, he jumps back 3 steps down, 1, 2 and 3, that will he will reach in the on the sixth step, that is on fifth jump he will reach sixth step. From sixth step again he will jump back 2 steps, 1, 2, that is from here again 1 and 2, that he will reach on the fourth number step, but on the sixth jump he will reach on the fourth number step. Now from fourth number steps he is jumping down 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3, so he will reach on the seventh step on seventh jump. Now from seventh step again back 2 steps up, 1 and 2, on the fifth number step, but it is the eighth jump. Now from fifth number step, that is from here, again he jumps back 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3, and reaches to the eighth number step, but till now he had taken 9 jumps in all. Now he is on 8th number steps, but again he jumps back 2 steps up, 1 and 2, so he reached on 6th number step, that is on 10th jump he is on 6th number step. Now from 6th number step again he jumps 3 steps down, 1, 2 and 3, that is on 9th step he reached on 11 jumps. Now he will drink water, but what they have asked us, in how many jumps will he reach the water level? So how many jumps he have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 jump. So we will write the monkey, therefore the monkey reach the water level water level at or in 11 jumps. Wasn't it easy, students? Now let us move to the next step, next question. Now in next question, what they are asking us, let us read. After drinking water, he wants to go back. Now he already drank the water. Now he wants to go back up. And for this, he jumps 4 steps up. I forgot to write. 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down. Now again, while after drinking water, again he moves 4 steps up and then 2 steps down. In every move, each time he is moving 4 steps up and 2 steps down. Now again they are asking us, in how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? So for that also I have already prepared one demo. So let us find out how he reached. Now he is on the 9th step, that is here. He is on the 9th step and he wants to go back to the first step. So he jumps 4 steps, 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps. When he goes up, he jumps 4 steps down, 4 steps up. After reaching on 5, again he jumps back 2 steps down, 1 and 2. He reached on 7th, that is here. From 7, he takes 4 jumps, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. He reached over here. But till now he had taken 2nd and 3rd jump. In 3rd jump he reached 3rd step. From 3rd step he jumps down back 2 steps, that is 1 and 2. So he reached on the 5th step on 4th jump. And from 5th step again he takes 4 jumps up. He was here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4th jump. He reached over here in 5 jumps. So in all we can say he had taken 5 jumps to reach on the topmost step. So we will write, therefore the monkey reached the topmost step in 5 jumps. Now students, we are in 3rd part of that same question. Let me first read out and explain you. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. They have given us A -3 plus 2 ... and is equal to -8, and then B part. We have to complete this portion. They are telling us that we must complete this portion and then come to that the next portion, that is next question. We will see afterwards. First we will let me try to explain you. They are telling us if the monkey moves down is represented by negative number, that is in first step he moved 3 steps down, then -3, and he moved 2 steps up, so +2. Same way they have written A and B. So we have to complete it. They are telling us to complete the following. So let me first complete. Total he had taken 11 jumps, right? So I am writing -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 -3 and so on. We will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 step, 8 9 10 11 and its total is -8. Let me first check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Total 11 jumps he had made, we know that. And portion B, that is this, we have to complete it. So we are writing minus 4, sorry, plus 4, minus 4 plus, okay, up it is plus 4, sorry, minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, 1 2 3 4 5 jumps he reached to the topmost level, and that answer is plus 8. They have given us already. Here it is minus 8 and here it is plus 8. Now let us move to the next question. In A, that is here, sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. What they are telling us? In A, this minus 8 tells us that he is going down by 8 steps. Because going down is minus sign, right, negative. So they are telling us it is representing that going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represents? So we will write, therefore the sum 8 in B represents going up by 8 steps. Nothing at all, it is very easy. You can see, represent going down by 8 steps because it was minus 8. Here going up by 8 because it is plus 8. So we write the sum 8 in B represent as going up by 8 steps. So we have completed our exercise 1.1 here. Next lecture we will take introduction of 1.2, exercise 1.2, and then we will start exercise 1.2. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.